Welcome to a new video. King COBBY here. Now in this video I am going to show you how to set keyboard mappings for your equalizer, right? And this was prompted by a subscriber. He wanted to know how to set kill low, right, on using the keyboard, right? So we are going to get into that. Let's not waste much time. Let's get into it. So I'll head to settings, and then from settings I'll go to controllers. Okay, and in controllers I will use the advanced editor. Right now, when I click on the advanced editor, what I want to do is I want to use my X. I've already set it, but I will delete this. Okay, sorry. All right, and then save. Okay, so now when I press the X, you can see it doesn't do anything. All right, so I'll go to settings again and advanced editor, and then I'll use X. Oh, sorry, X rather. Right, and then I'll do EQ. So immediately I type EQ, it brings me all the configurations that I can do, but all the actions that I can set with the EQ or for the EQ. So there is EQ low, there is kill, EQ kill low, EQ kill high, EQ kill mid. Right. So this is it. Right. So if you want to kill the bass, you want to kill the mid, you want to kill the high. Right. But currently our focus is on the low. So I'll select on EQ kill low, and I'll save. That is just it. So while pressing the X key, you can see it fades out. So when it fades out, it means that he has killed it, right? So let me load a song here. Is that it? Let me see. A few. Okay, right. Let me just put it in the middle somewhere. Okay, let me lower the volume so that you get to hear me when I'm talking. All right, great. Now listen, let me turn on the EQ, right? The bass. All right, so all right, so while the song is playing and I press the X key, you can see that, or you can hear that the bass is killed. Let me increase the volume. Right, so you can hear the song, but it doesn't carry weight. It is not heavy, right? But if I should add it now, so you can see this is killed. Okay, this is killed, and then it's now on. All right, great. So that is just about it. So to set your mappings, I just head to settings, advanced editor. You might not be this if you are using like an old version, if you have not updated the VirtualDJ version, but it is still the same, right? When you go to your mappers, you should see the configurations here. So I will say I use X, and it's what EQ kill low. Okay, so if you want to set the high, kill the high, you can set another key for the high. If you want to kill the mid, you can set another key for the mid. There are extra configurations that we can do here, right? But the focus was on the kill low, so I'll come your way with another video to definitely show you a lot of things that you can do with virtual DJ, right? So just be sure that you have subscribed to the YouTube channel, you have turned on notifications so that anytime I drop a new video, you are going to get notified. All right, be sure to also share the video to other virtual DJ enthusiasts. The name is King COBBY, and I'll see you in another video.